By the end of the video, we'll know about protein powder is a popular supplement among adults, particularly those involved in fitness and bodybuilding. However, when it comes to children, there are several important considerations to keep in mind before incorporating protein powder into their diets. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. 1. Nutritional needs. Unlike adults, children have different nutritional requirements, and their bodies are still growing and developing. While protein is essential for children's growth and development, most children can meet their protein needs through a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods, such as lean meats, poultry, fish, dairy products, eggs, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. 2. Potential risks. Protein powders are highly concentrated sources of protein and may contain added ingredients such as artificial flavors, sweeteners, and preservatives. Some protein powders may also contain allergens such as milk, soy, or gluten, which could pose risks for children with food allergies or intolerances. Additionally, excessive protein intake can put strain on the kidneys and may interfere with calcium absorption, potentially affecting bone health. 3. Safety concerns. The safety of protein powder supplementation in children has not been extensively studied, and there is limited research on its long-term effects on growth and development. As such, it's essential to exercise caution when considering protein powder for children and consult with a pediatrician or registered dietitian before introducing it into their diets. 4. Whole foods first. Instead of relying on protein powders, focus on providing children with a variety of nutrient-dense whole foods that naturally contain protein. Encourage them to eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This approach ensures that children receive a wide range of essential nutrients to support their growth and development. 5. Special considerations. There may be certain situations where protein supplementation is warranted for children, such as in cases of malnutrition, underweight, or certain medical conditions. In such cases, it's crucial to work closely with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate type, dosage, and duration of protein supplementation based on the child's individual needs and circumstances. 6. Alternative protein sources. If you're concerned about your child's protein intake, there are plenty of whole food alternatives to protein powder that can